Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and completing your work. I hope all of you have completed last class work. So, students, today we will continue the same exercise 1C and the same question third, because its E and F part remained. So first we will complete this question number 3 and then we will do question number 4. In E part of question number 3 we have to find again 5 rational numbers between 0 and -1. So we will apply the same method as I explained you in the previous class. Like this in third A part. So see here, between 0 and -1 we have to find 5 rational number. Since we have to find 5 rational number, it means value of n is equal 5 and n plus 1 is equal 5 plus 1 6. This 0 can be written as 0 upon 1 and this -1 can be written as -1 upon 1. Now we will multiply in these two rational numbers by this 6. So 0 upon 1 multiply 6 and this -1 upon 1 multiply 6. 6 0 ja 0 upon 6 1 ja 6 and 6 1 ja 6 minus 6 upon 6 1 ja 6. So now we have 0 upon 6 and minus 6 upon 6. If we write 5 rational number between these two rational number, then what will be they? We will start from this side. Minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, then 0 upon 6. It means if we draw a number line like this, this is 0 and this is -1. Here what is the denominator? Denominator is 6. So we will divide this distance between 0 and -1 into 6 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then it is 0 upon 6, -1 upon 6, -2 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -5 upon 6, -6 upon 6. -6 upon 6 means 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. It is -1. Next part, F. Here given rational numbers are 1 and 2. So we have to find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. We will apply the same method. Here n is equal 5 because we have to find 5 rational number. Then n plus 1 is equal 5 plus 1, it is 6. Now we can write this 1 is equal 1 upon 1 and 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Again, now we will multiply this 1 upon 1 and 2 upon 1 by this 6. Then it will be 1 multiply 6 upon 1 multiply 6 and 2 multiply 6 upon 1 multiply 6. 6 1 ja 6 upon 6 1 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12 upon 6 1 ja 6. Now both the denominators are same. Again we will write 5 rational number between 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6. It will be 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6, 11 upon 6, 12 upon 6. Student, it is very easy. You will write the denominator same. Then you will in the denominator you will write the same digit 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 and in numerator you can write counting. It is 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we completed Now we completed question number 3. Come to question number 4. In question number 4, we will learn, I will explain you another method. Find a rational number between the given rational numbers using the method of means. This is means method. Here in this question, we have to find only a rational number. A rational number means one rational number. Here in this question 3, we have to find out 5 rational numbers. But in question number 4, we have to find out only one rational number between the given 2 rational numbers using the method of means. So, what is the method of means? See student here. First question, given rational numbers are 2 and 3. If first rational number is A and second rational number is B, then A rational number means not this A, one rational number, then one rational number between A and B. This is the formula for method of means. It is 1 upon 2 into A plus B. 1 upon 2 A plus B. Here what is the first rational number? First rational number means A. Here A is equal 2 and what is the second rational number means B. B is 3. So using this formula, according to this formula, applying by this formula, A rational number between 2 and 3 is 1 upon 2. This 1 upon 2, then this bracket, value of A is 2 and value of B is 3. So 2 plus 3. A is 2 plus B is 3. 1 upon 2 within bracket 2 plus 3, 5. Then 1 upon 2, this will be multiplied by 5. 5 1 ja 5 upon 2. It means a rational number between 2 and 3. Means this is rational number 2. 2 means 2 upon 1. This is 3 upon 1. Between these two rational number, one rational number is 5 upon 2. Now come to second part, B part. In B part, given rational numbers are minus 2 and minus 1. Again we will apply the same method. If first rational number is A and second rational number is B, then A rational number between A and B is equal 1 upon 2 A plus B. We will write this line up to here in each and every question. It is compulsory. Now here what is the first rational number? Means A. A is equal minus 2 and what is the second rational number? Second rational number B is minus 1. So value of A is equal minus 2 and B is equal minus 1. Again we will put the value of A and B in this formula. So A rational number between minus 2 and minus 1 is equal this 1 upon 2. Then bracket A is minus 2 plus B is minus 1, bracket close. Then 1 upon 2, simplify it. It will be minus 2 minus 1 because out of this bracket this is plus sign. So we will write minus 2 as it is, minus 1 as it is. 1 upon 2, when we simplify this minus 2 and minus 1, we get minus 3. Then this 1 upon 2 multiply this minus 3 upon minus 3, then it will be 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 upon 2. Means A rational number between minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3 upon 2. Clear? See, if you want to understand more clearly, suppose we are taking this number line up to here. This is 0. This is 1, minus 1, this is minus 2. So, minus 3 upon 2 means, minus 1 is to 1 upon 2 means 1 and half. So, this minus 1 and half will be between minus 1 and minus 2. This is minus 1, this is minus 2. Here it will be minus 1 and half. Clear? Now come to its C part. Its C part is given rational numbers are 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Again we will write the same line. If first rational number is A and second rational number is B, then A rational number between A and B is equal 1 upon 2 within bracket A plus B. Here value of A is 1 upon 3 and value of B is 2 upon 3. Then a rational number between 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 equal this 1 upon 2 bracket value of A is 1 upon 3 plus value of B is 2 upon 3. Then this 1 upon 2 bracket LCM will be 3. It will be 1 plus 2. Then 1 upon 2 multiply 1 plus 2 3 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Then 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 1, it will be 1 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2, 1 upon 2. Next part, D part, minus 1 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 4. Again same thing, let first rational number A is equal minus 1 upon 4, let second rational number B is equal minus 3 upon 4. Then write the formula. A rational number between minus 1 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 4 is equal 1 upon 2 A plus B. 1 upon 2 A value of A is minus 1 upon 4. This plus value of B is minus 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 will be written as it is. Then minus 3 upon 4. 1 upon 4. LCM of 4 is 4. This 4 divided by this 4 we get 1. 1 multiply minus 1 is equal minus 1. Again this minus 4 divided by this 4 we get 1. 1 multiply 3 is 3. So 1 upon 2 multiply, simplify this minus 1 and minus 3 we get minus 4 upon this 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. 1 upon 2 multiply minus 1 upon 1. Then 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 upon 2 1 ja 2. I think all 4 parts should be clear to you. Now it's 4E and 4F part you will do self in homework. Okay? After completing this 4E and F, you will do this question number G. Find a rational number between the two given rational numbers. It's 6 part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the book on page 30. See, if you do not have book, then you can do from here. Pick is clear. Okay, students? Now we have completed our first chapter, rational numbers. If you have any problem from this chapter, you can ask me. Okay, students, thank you and have a nice day.